Introducing the Agentic AI Layer from SchooLinks. 4 powerful agents. 1 intelligent assistant. Generate. Create recommendation letters and SMART goals in seconds with human-guided control. Alert. Get real-time context-aware flags on missed deadlines or incomplete tasks anywhere in the platform. Nudge. Proactively follow up with students, parents, or staff before things fall through the cracks. Analyze. Ask complex questions like, which students are off track to graduate in my district, broken down by school? Get instant answers, no filters, no spreadsheets. SchooLinks Agentic AI, built to support and not replace the educators who make CCR happen. And this is just the beginning. More agents are coming soon, each designed to bring even more precision, context, and impact to the workflows you already use.